What excites me about aviation is the fact that we can get something that weighs millions of pounds and get it flying in the air.
What excites me about aviation is the future. Advancements in the technology that allows people to travel places faster and more efficiently is really exciting to me.
I love the feeling of just being above the clouds, being above everyone. It is very exciting.
The best part about the experience was seeing the weld shop. It was really cool to see a whole bunch of raw materials turn into a recognizable product.
The best part about the general aviation manufacturing experience was being able to see my idea come to life in the engineering design challenge.
The best part of the general aviation manufacturing experience for me was definitely the engineering side. Watching some idea go from just an idea in your head to something on paper to it being there in person was great.